What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be working on Wago. We're going to try to get the motor in by today since we just got the houseport mounts in. So that was the main thing we were waiting on. The head still needs to go on, as you guys saw in the last video. I went and picked up this head gasket from Brent. So what we're going to do is get the head gasket on, get the head on, and Emilio is going to be torquing down the head and getting that put together while I continue to do some more work on the engine bay, because I also went and picked up some more clear as well. So I want to finish clear coating the engine bay, and I also want to get this little front piece all sanded down and repainted as well. I want to get this painted blue, so then when I go to do the clear coat, since I can only use that can one time, I want to get this clear coated with that as well. But I'm going to be working on that, and yeah, we'll see how far we can get. I'd like to get the motor fully assembled, try to get the transmission cleaned up, get it bolted on, get the clutch on the motor as well, clutch and flywheel, and I just want to get it in Wago, get it all mocked up, and see how it fits in there. So we have a full day ahead of us, and I don't think we should have any problem getting it together.
Get to work.
You on the second 90?
So sketchy.
So yeah, we're using the stock head studs for right now. These are actually head bolts, and you don't torque these down to a certain torque spec. What you do is you torque them all to 29 foot-pounds, and then you put 90 degrees twice on each one for a total of 180 degrees, and then that's just it. So I was talking to Brent about it yesterday, and it sounded weird to me because I had never done anything other than ARPs. I've never reused stock head bolts before, but I guess that's how you do them. They're made to stretch, and they don't actually have a certain torque spec. So that's what we got the muscles here for. So yeah, he got them all torqued to 29, then did 190 on them, and then this is the second 90, and then they'll be ready to go, according to Honda.
I mean, this head's not coming off.
No metal.
So you came prepared today?
Yeah, I got mine, but I didn't get one for you. You have to hold your breath.
That's fucked
I
up.
didn't realize that someone might be filming.
You see how he treats me?
This is definitely gonna take a while.
Just so they see how it looks.
Yeah, we just got the throw out bearing off, and it was, I think, rusted on there. Where'd it go?
Right here.
Yeah, that has been sitting for a minute.
Yeah, it has.
We had to hammer it off. Yeah, and the fork needs some cleaning up as well. It's completely rusted. All right, we got the motor pretty much all the way assembled, and right now we're getting ready to put the twin disc clutch on that we got from Clutch Masters. I've also been cleaning up the transmission as much as I can. This thing was pretty dirty when we got it. There's still some spots right here in the middle that I want to clean up, but once we get the clutch on, we can go ahead and throw that transmission on, and I'll continue to clean it a little more. Once everything's all bolted together, we're gonna clean the rest of the block off and throw a quick layer of paint on it just to clean it up. and then we will be ready to put it in the car. Take a quick break, get some dinner. This is the spot.
Gotta get the power to keep working, you know? Late nights.
Eating that shrimp pad thai.
Gonna burn my damn tongue. Oh shit. Damn, she's fresh.
That good. Wago's getting some nice parts.
Right.
That Clutch Masters twin disc. Dang.
No,
The hatch doesn't even have that.
you can just turn it up whatever you want to now.
Wago's gonna hold all of it.
No excuses.
1,000 horse all-wheel drive Wago? Question mark? We got disc number 1 for the flywheel side. And pressure plate side. We stayed up all night, but we got her in. Right now it's just held up by these 2 side mounts right here. The back mount's not on yet, so it's a little flimsy, but she is in there. This took quite a bit longer than we thought. It is really late.
It is late.
It's really early now.
Yeah, it's...
We don't talk about it, but it's in. Got the motor in. Goal achieved. We painted the block, oil pan, and transmission black. I got some ideas from some other K-swaps online that I saw, and I was really liking some that were all painted black. So I decided to try it, and I think I'm liking it. I think it looks really good, and whenever we're working on the car, you won't see it if it ever gets dirty. So I don't know, let me know what you guys think. But like I said, it's really late. We'll talk some more about it tomorrow, but she is in. Now it's time to get some sleep.
Looks good though.
Yeah, it looks really good in there. Like what?
Looks so different with a K, like.
Yeah, Wago's.
Like it looks like a whole.
Wago's gonna have a K.
That's nuts.
That's gonna be sick.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Let's go to bed.
Oh yeah?
Here you go. Here you go.
Alright, I'll
Send it.
I'm gonna break it, so I hope you don't mind. No. Let me hit this. Dude, you were gonna eat shit.
Here, wait, let's put it in the light.
Thanks, Scooter. You're gonna eat shit. Thanks, Scooter. Dude, you're gonna eat shit. You break my scooter? You're buying me a new one.
Sound like
You're buying me a new moped.
You're just like Bubble.
Break my scooter, you're buying me a new one. Dude, I really hope he doesn't hurt himself on it.
I would just do like a little baby one.
I feel like it's yeah, it's just gonna fucking move. I'm kind of worried that it's gonna move.
Did you hit the front brake right there?
Yeah, I hit the brake.
Okay, no, it won't. I've hit it on my pit bike. I promise you it won't.
I think it's just gonna bottom out on this.
No, it'll be good. Just hit it. What are you doing?
Hey, ride it just like this. It's less sketchy than that. See, dude, that is way.
That's way more sketchy. I mean, he is sketchy DA, so.
Oh my god, you gotta do that again. I fucking missed it.
Bro, dude, you did a Superman.
Dude, Dude, that thing has so much air. He was hardly even going that fast.
Honestly, a little sketchy.
Slow down. Dude, you're going pretty quick.
I told you the seat was going, boy. It wouldn't be bad if we zip tied the seat on.
That's what I'm saying.
Hit the jump. You won't. Yo, hit the jump together.
Dude, I would have probably go over him.
Oh yeah, that's way better.
Got her zip tied down.
Fuck yeah. Watch this one push. Fuck better than any goddamn car around here.
He's not lying. Tire's flat.
God damn it.
Yeah. She needs a tube.
You're so fired. All them sick jumps.
Yeah, popped her. Bro. Oh, there you go.
It's not that bad. Come on. Let's go.
Christ, dude.
Oh shit.
Gas it.
Oh. Dude, that was pretty good.
That was a good one. That sounded like it hurt though.
That was perfect.
Did that hurt your
You
ass?
had her all leveled out too.
You gotta gas it like right at the end, bro.
Dude, I thought I was eating it, so I like ramped my thighs together, and I hit, and I was like, oh,
Dude, hey, you do realize like this is chopped and welded right here, and then so is the bottom of the base.
You act like I care. The tire fell off my pit bike while I was riding.